Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. So well, it's another ride video, but this is going to be an interesting ride video. It is the first ride on the KRX since I've been doing some of these mods. So it's the first ride with the All Things UTV Tender Springs, the first ride in the desert, or the woods I should say, with the STI 35s, the X comps, they're really 34s. First ride at the chase bar and all the lights wired up. So now it's just a matter of getting on the trails. So I hope to get some night rides in on this trip. I hope to get probably 150-ish miles I'm going for to really break this machine in. There's still some things I need to do to get fully set up, but enough talking, let's get riding. We're out here riding, taking a quick stop, because this is a really cool rock formation behind me. We got some more over there. I just couldn't get the KRX close enough. So far, if you're wondering what's the setup doing, it's phenomenal. At the end of the video, I will go over everything on how I'm running the tires, the shock setup, and what I like and don't like about everything I've installed so far. So before it starts raining really bad, let's get back on the trail. Well, there you have it. We are loaded up. We're cleaned up, getting ready just to camp out for one more night in this nice 60-degree weather before we head down to the valley at the record heat of 118 or something like that. So I hope I got some great video. You obviously have already seen it because I haven't edited it yet. So setup, 10 PSI. I started at 15 PSI on the tires. I'm down to 10 PSI on that. The shocks, I have 8 clicks of firmness in the rear, 15 in the fronts. It's a really good setup for the trails up here. Now obviously you're not going to do anything real fast, but really good for some rocks, smooth the bumps out. No real issues at all with anything I've done to the KRX. The All Things UTV tender springs did great. The Vox switch did great. The homemade chase lights or chase bar was phenomenal. I didn't realize how much I would like it until we got up here. The first couple days were really dusty, sometimes with little or no wind or a breeze, so the dust will just kind of hang in the air. And you know what? It did great. It was a great safety feature. So I'm definitely glad I built that. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click on that. It's the one right before this. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and until next time.